Hey guys, here I'm on the River Thames cruise here with my cousin Michael, and he's gonna mix up this 3x3 and then I'm gonna solve it.
They change, but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life, just another season. Not for them, just a time, just another season. You came into my life, just another season.
Just gonna mix up these two cubes and I'm gonna do a relay of solving them. Okay, I'm going to start inspecting. Okay, ready.
You came into my life just like another season, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. You came into my life just like another season, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
And Brayden?
Alright, I'm done.
The seasons
Yeah.
didn't change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time
Ready?
continues marching, it
Here,
slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life, just like another season. Not so long, just a time, just like another season.
Alright guys, so we're back from the cruise. We had a great time. Did you have a good time?
Very good time. How about you?
Oh yeah, I had a good time. What about you?
I had a lovely time.
I'm so glad. Come in the photo, you outside the mic. Yeah, so that was my little bit of cubing on the River Thames cruise in Oxford. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.